When you look at advertisements, oftentimes you will notice certain colors and symbols are trending. Gold is used to denote luxury, or you may notice recently that many logos may have an infinity symbol to imply that the company will keep growing. Some brands use arrows in their logos to look like there is a direction and growth. All of this design and style is very closely related to anthropology, and I'll tell you why. According to anthropologist Clifford Geertz, a symbol is basically anything that represents an idea and carries a meaning. This can be related to an object, event, or even a relationship. You may know, for instance, lucky or unlucky numbers, or a painting or a design that has some deep meaning or a message. Even words that are spoken or written, like God or man, can be symbols. These symbols are usually things you can see and understand, and they represent ideas, attitudes, judgments, desires, or even beliefs. And this is the concept of symbolic anthropology. This was first studied in detail in the 1970s and has become a major part of the modern-day advertising industry. Let's look at how this school of anthropology emerged and who made a significant impact in symbolic anthropology as well as its criticisms. Hello and welcome. Today we are diving into symbolic anthropology, a fascinating branch of anthropology that focuses on how to study symbols and their role in human culture. This perspective offers profound insights into how humans ascribe meanings to symbols and how these symbols shape our social life. Symbolic anthropology is an approach that sees culture primarily as a system of symbols. It emphasizes understanding and interpreting symbols, such as rituals, myths, and customs that are significant within a culture. Symbolic anthropologists seek to uncover how these symbols convey meaning and how they are used in social interactions, and also how they contribute to the formation of individual and collective identities. And what are the key principles of symbolic anthropology? Number one, the role of symbols in culture. Central to symbolic anthropology is the idea that symbols are not just passive reflections of social life, but active elements that shape perceptions, interactions, and social structures. Number two, interpretive approach to culture. This approach involves delving into the layers of meaning that symbols hold and understanding how these meanings are constructed and shared within a culture. And who are the significant contributors? Number one, Clifford Geertz. One of the most influential figures in symbolic anthropology, Geertz introduced the concept of culture as a web of significance. His work emphasized a thick description approach, which involves a detailed account of cultural practices to uncover the layers of meanings. Number two, Victor Turner. Turner's work on symbols and ritual processes, especially his concept of the social drama, has been instrumental in understanding how rituals and symbols facilitate social change and cohesion. David Schneider. Schneider has provided a taxonomical approach in symbolic anthropology, classifying the symbols into different classes or taxa. And what has been the impact of symbolic anthropology on anthropological thought? Well, symbolic anthropology has significantly impacted the way anthropologists study culture. It shifted the focus from viewing culture in terms of material aspects and social structures to understanding the subjective and interpretive aspects of culture. This approach has led to more nuanced and rich descriptions of cultural practices. While symbolic anthropology has been praised for its depth of cultural understanding, it has faced criticism for its subjective nature and potential overemphasis on the interpretation of symbols, possibly at the expense of material and politico-economic factors. Some argue that it can lead to overly complex and inaccessible analysis of culture. In conclusion, we can say that symbolic anthropology offers a unique lens to understand the profound role of symbols in human societies. It underscores the complexity of culture and the importance of meanings and interpretations in shaping the human experiences and social structures.